This is the TN850 replacement toner cartridge. This fits the Brother machines. It fits the standard Brother machines, the all-in-one Brother machines, the large ones, the mid-size ones. This is just a really great replacement toner. I initially used to purchase the actual Brother toner, and it was getting very expensive, so I was looking for a more cost-effective approach for toners, and this one here is exactly what I was looking for. This has about an 8,000 page yield per toner here, and you get a 2-pack with each of these boxes here. So it works really well, comes packaged really nicely, and it's just overall really great. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand, very pleased with it. I have not had any bad experiences with it. I initially found this brand online from just reading the reviews, finding a lot of positive information about them, and it just works really well. It's packaged really nice. This is the box that comes in right here. It's the TN850 toner cartridge, high page yield, marvelous compatibility, premium print quality, and you do get 2 of them in here. These are all the machines that it fits right here. I have this one here, the Brother L6800 DW. That's the full size all-in-one. It's the printer, scanner, and the copier and the fax machine. But I also used to have one of these here. I believe I had the L5200. That's just the standard printer with no bells and whistles, just does the printing. And I also used to have a DCP 5600 DN here. That's the mid-size all-in-one. But right now the L6800 DW, it just works wonderfully in here. Very pleased with these. The Brother, like I said, the Brother toner, it was just very costly, so I moved to this brand here, and I'm very pleased with it. Like I said, repeat buyer of this one. Going to keep buying it. Very pleased with it. It's a basically drop in just like the standard cartridge. Works really well. Very happy with it. Definitely want to check it out. You get 2 cartridges in here. It's wrapped very nicely. Styrofoam in here. Each one of them is packed in this yellow wrapper right here, so you could just open one at a time when you need it. And just definitely want to pick these up. If you have one of these Brother machines here on the side, you're going to be very pleased with this toner. Highly recommend it.